Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Bluetooth is not available on this device in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click Bluetooth and devices. Click devices, click more Bluetooth settings. Check allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC, click apply, click OK. Third method is open any browser, type Intel Bluetooth driver. Click Intel Wireless Bluetooth for Windows 10 and 11. Find your system type, click Start, Settings, click About, in my case system type is 64-bit. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click each Bluetooth devices, update drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Bluetooth or Network. Select Bluetooth/RCOM protocol. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.